Asantua. Not everything be I know my Muslim was a new. I love that also. Don't worry. Baba. So let you
Asantua, we are say one, say, Yaba and Yaba, Uya Wufia, in ye. Yaka Yokesia, ni Pigi, and in ye lady, edition. What I say, and if we are say one in Sasantua, Nipe Piano, we are seer, a bobby film room, a behow da. Nipe Piano, we are seer, a bobby film room, a behow. And the Nipe Piano also we are a bobby film room, a behow papa. Yenny paya, any annie, any annie, say papa. Nipa, ye won't make it. And you be a cause in the panty says, no can have a sword that now so near day. Yabano, and yes, see we. Ye be mu fache. And to yes, be a giant fache. Flew a coom, ne flew mu.
MK,
Nefu be che.
MK, Asantua, the Precious Noah from the horses woman. Precious no, and my panacho.
Oh, and yet you be panacho, and says ye the caca dear. A man some trouble say, Sebi previous, and yes, see a pet yet a precious eternal yet with name see a ye betray ye. A mouse will be a best woman on the if you can him that chance some.
You know about that too.
What I say, if you are so be your bonnet scene, or no son that you be obey your papa can see. So what I say,
Bob Malikan was say your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy.
What I say, Precious, Panacho, what is
Precious, but Panacho.
Please, I'm sorry.
Hey, Kono go dear Pancho. Santo, please, I'm sorry, dear Mitchell, to go masun. Hey,
Santo, please, I'm sorry.
what is Santo?
Why?
Santo, what?
I'm really sorry for pushing you and fighting with you.
What is Santo?
Why? It's okay.
It's okay. Yes, Santo, we are sitting. Sunny, we are sitting. We are sitting. Nyanko Paul first ma obi refi. You know, come first will be check. What I say? You mean Nyanko Paul babu refi sisi am already refi.
Don't do that, sir. And I will.
I just say, as I'm told, what do you hear be a car?
What is that time? The band of a doctor.
I said Tuesday.
Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday. Answer them call them Mama Sonte. Why? Huh? Mama Sonte be a mechanic. A sweet pickup on that.
Oh, my uncle, madam, for no cross over by Bessami. A head Yabudinchi. Or so by Bessam, by Mamma, I've funded the neck.
David, you can say screw pickup. And I don't know. Abuja Jabudinchi, Jabudinchi. We are seeing Ujana now, no. You say Anna Mugu, Anna Daria. Ah, you are similar.
Bibi here on one can want to send your man a brown at the sewer honum. It's Mamma, Madame Fly, I've been quite the bro. What?
You know, Catran. The catcher say Roma milk 5 in the family. And Debbie, my catcher, no, dear. Baba,
Santua, shall one day, what?
Why? Milk, I can see any. I can see a pan, Mamma bro, 5. Why?
Catcher so for fancy king.
Now, you will lose all the other. Huh? I don't know. Eh? What the Mamma and the milk crab?
Yeah, we have a tear ship, a tear shishi. And the Kuyum crab, a tear shishi.
I'm out of terminal administration, young Conaman Coyodum. As I'm done, watch your wife.
Precious. So all what has happened, Precious, it was true.
What was true?
Precious, everything that I told you. Precious, do you know that when I went to ask the school nurse and teacher tricked him, and I was like, oh, was Asantua's baby black or fair? And then after some back and forth, he finally told me that the baby was not dark, the baby was black.
Black.
Black, like saying my ear.
Hmm.
He said that the child was even balding.
Oh, how can it?
I promise. Precious, believe me. Just believe me.
At such an early age.
The baby was balding.
Wow.
To me, when I was there, I just thought about it that, maybe in about 1 year time, the kid will start wearing chains and then mini shorts. Then you walk, giving this type of work.
Me, I'm not surprised. Are you surprised?
I'm not surprised. It's just that
all knew.
It's just that I feel hit.
Why?
That after all I've been doing for Semaye in this school, he will do this to me.
Come on. You should know better. They are capable of doing worse things. Not just bad things, worse things.
And Asanto.
Oh, you should know better. I thought by now you knew everything.
Precious, we will deal with them.
How?
Precious, Precious, what's my name?
Fanfula. Born.
Precious.
Which one?
Fanfula.
Me, I'm in my soft girl era.
Precious,
I'm not willing to fight with anybody. I don't want to start anything.
Somebody who can kill babies.
Please, no. I didn't kill the baby.
You did well.
No, Vaughn. Don't say that. No. Don't say that. I didn't kill the baby. It was a mistake. I didn't kill the baby. Please. Don't make me feel bad. I don't like that.
Kilapre.
What's your name again?
Irene.
When did you come to the school?
Oh, it's not been long.
Really?
Yeah.
And who helped you? Because I've never seen you in this school.
Seer Chains.
Oh, Maye.
Yeah.
Oh, why are you related to him?
No, he just helped me get admission.
Wow. Which class are you?
I'm in the science class.
Science class?
Yes.
Okay, which science class? Is it science 1, science 2 or?
Science 2.
Science 2.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Aroma. Yeah.
Aroma.
Yeah, but they call me Brother James. Yeah.
Brother James.
Exactly.
Why are you called Brother James?
I would say it was given by God. Exactly. God asked me to change my name from Aroma to Brother James. Yeah. So I did, as he said.
There's nothing I've not seen in this school.
You see, I was once against her and I decided to change. So I have to change my name too.
Oh, I see.
So that Aroma lifestyle, I see that as my past identity. So
now you're a pastor.
Exactly. I've turned a new leaf. So you can call me Brother James.
The pastor with the earring.
As I always say, you don't have to judge people by what you see. You understand? Yeah, it's here. You understand?
So God has called you.
Exactly. He used me to do so many work.
Yeah. Okay, I see.
You're a nice girl though. You're a very nice girl. So please take very good care of yourself.
Thank you.
I'm very, very friendly.
Okay, but what class are you in?
What's it? Visual arts class here.
Okay, by your class you don't know unless you do like.
You see how beautiful you are. You keep distracting me.
Hey,
that's why.
Why? What's happening?
You don't want to run.
Why?
Run.
Why should I run? Hello. Over there. But why are you tapping me like that?
But what's that? Over there, I would say.
Irene.
Who names a guy? No.
Well, your guy, if I send a minute and die.
I will fancy something in the court.
Hey, please. It's not what. Irene, run. Go.
Why should I run?
Go, please. Can't you see the car? Irene, go, please.
But what?
Please go. Go, Irene, please.
Stay away from me.
Hey, Irene. Yo, okay.
Irene, please.
What will you do?
Irene.
What will you do?
Irene, no, Irene.
Why? What is it saying?
Irene, please go.
Oh no!
Wait, what is? No, Irene.
Hey, Irene.
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me pesa me kona ni mo.
Headmaster, bibi o hono esi ka ho asem pa o.
But so the bia wo bibi e ka ho asem ntiu de ka. Ntiu.
The headmaster, the bibi onye se the bia wo bibi e ka ho asem se bibi amanso ayenka.
Ana me kire wo say Meti wo nipa di wani ma obedi wachi. Enti wo de ka na wo wotire mu ka meti.
Master, I said bia me can't see my own shedan for utima. Own shedan engine tum. I say always you who say make a bia papa ko enyama.
Kan ya opasa wo ka meti.
Master, the chain say school is one for na si fam no one year school ni ebegu.
School no go say
one year school ni ebegu. Hwe the chain say headmaster. Teachers in school mo a anyway me ko ha. And say my so la me ko ha. Me ko program ha, me ko wi ha. Se black so so ni laundry ni hia no. Me ko yesi no ahye da agi leave se me ko yesi oboa. No ko in laundry. Se ya hwe ni ahwe ye teachers akanya wi so amekwa na. Ti ho na eche nkwala na de. Enu so ka bi na man kro ni timi dwane school mu a. Because ombu teachers ni so. Ti we dwane fa, no ya fa. The bia no school no always problems. Ne de ba. It is one finance if no finance if na gesa. Me say me kasa me so me kwa 1 year na me so me mai.
Banyasa. Ai. Schoolers. Amki. Ene de wakanyansa sem.
Ise de bia meka. Una mfa utinye.
Ene de wakanyansa sem. Wasa wakane wum school ni de emumum. Ya performance baba for. Ma ye wo ko conference aba ma sign atum ma approval ko conference na bra ene mene
o ko tra ni fie no odi ni sem hunu edi kwa asase ma
no bia o ko ya almost headmaster ni three modern enti eba na se me o di bibi se ba na se me ka se me sign ya ma yin pa bonini
debi
say black adase in the class me na me ko kira ade
imagine.
Meanwhile, Obana se okase wo omobe validation na se ba oba sign ama approval no wo delay kakra bi ase black bedi wachi aso ni de agbugbo kosu echi. Wakamate but I'll see what I'll do. My ye is a black omo so far say dodo na omo kode but sankofo mi no.
Ni no monsin. Ni no monsin. Nti earlier the better ye ni ntem ne enko.
Bro for na kan.
But friends, I'm kind.
Hey, is it wouldn't my name, my gym, or bravo?
And my dear, don't make a teachers who say, I quite want to school, watch school for 5 years.
That's also brought for our idea.
Hey, my team to be a
sacrament.
Make him say, Minkai,
what's it earlier?
Earlier the better. Anna
Asantwa, how are you doing now?
I'm getting better.
Are you sure? I hope you have been taking your medications and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, thank God. Please, you know that every day I tell you this, you have to take the medication so that you will get fine very, very quickly. Eh? I hate to see you in this type of condition. Yeah, so let me put that aside. I spoke with Precious about the incident, and then she said that the altercation was not intentional at all. So please, if you could let all bygones be bygones and forget about it, that would it would be very, very good. People make mistakes, so for that one they put it at the back of your mind. And then also I have one more thing I wanted to ask. I'm quite shocked. It doesn't make sense.
What is it?
Yeah, so I went to the school nurse to ask him about the pregnancy, like when you were in labor, and then he said that your child was black. Very, very, very black.
My child was black.
Yeah.
I don't know, school nurse, no one kind of crazy. Maybe tell me you too.
Oh, you're not black.
We're black.
I'm not black.
And say then I'll cry near black.
Hey, that's why I was shocked. I was confused. I was like, how will the child? And he didn't say you maybe was dark skinned or something. He said he was black.
No, wait. Because of say we who need to know why pale black bay. I'm not school nurse, one kind of crazy. What's all this?
Yeah, you relax. Me, I just wanted to know because I was quite confused, like I said. Asantwa, you shouldn't be taking things to heart right now. You should be thinking about getting back to full health. Oh.
And no precious, so one shut up. I'm gonna see one shut down.
Please. Asantwa, please. She was very, very remorseful when she was speaking. You can hear the sympathy in her voice. She feels pain. She feels bad about what she did. So please, forgive her. People make mistakes. It's something that is there. You can't let this judge how she will be.
She's just pretending, please.
Asantua, you relax and think about it, please. Don't let this cause any problems for you. Please, Asantua, I'm pleading with you. Okay?
Irene, or whatever. When I see Anna over school, how? Eh?
And so?
Mimi and so, me can't become a boy. Me can't become. Yakasa was I saying, ya when you not you shouldn't pa.
Me better come here then I'm fine.
See me? Me more warning. So what's it? If you next time I'm a banner, if you are me proud, or be any ha. Minja a yibia we chill. Minja she we chill, no matter be fish mambo, or maybe whom seminar me you.
But when you came, I was just talking to him.
Or you me guy, or be any ninja na one. Will you bring my bro on home?
We must know that bro on the way.
I'll
never never bro be one.
See me, some me more warning. Me more warning, hey, Radde. Ha! Me per se, me dem in Sabe County, near the Mako DC. So what's it? Me more warning. Next time, I'm also only Aroma Ejina will be no. Dia show him me na me dia wo we are one kasa wanim. Stupid girl. Wo ba school man ansi a wo ba beta me guy won say. Won tell me nka o. Na me your boy no cramp na wa. Ono wa ye no ho say o ye killer cramp no kai kra no me mambo sheko. Na wo. For John line for free money so call. Free money so call. So what she mean? So I mean she mean into the baba be Jimmy boy. Yeah.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me person me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
The precious lady almost
Please just go straight to the point. My head is hurting.
Oh, sorry. Please let me use this word. Your name, other one. Cameram.
Cunningham.
Cameram. Caneram. Is that your name?
Please just talk.
Okay. Wait here. Sister Precious, we cried in Chidanya Dibia, but I have some kid to be na missing control. Sister Precious, Nancy, me your girl no Brita. Oh, you know me be and fuck him. And it's not good. And I want to tell you the problem. Please, if you can help me, if it's not you, nobody can help me. But you wait here. Say I'm a Brita, unso yeminia. And I won't say on Adamson so I will back. And I feel so. No, say I feel sunny, Aroma so ye day. Sure. My catching me and say, on chin when ye day. In free Aroma home. Now only Adam so ba. My cabby be a million soon tea. And I'm so old. Wait here. It is a one I meet my day. I can't show. No one want me. See the boy, you be free again. So, what's it? Like girl is so free boy.
So you think that Aroma is the one bothering your sister?
Yeah, but you me shouldn't name the way I see close to the anchor, but can't me care.
So why are you acting like this?
But you're there.
We all know you don't talk like this.
Oh, Cameram, tell me here.
My name is Cunningham, not Cameram.
Cameram.
Just call me Precious.
Precious, please, Pacho.
What you're saying makes sense, but what do you want me to do? Talk to her?
Pacho.
I can't talk to her. You've spoken to your sister, and she didn't mind you. What makes you think that she will listen to me?
Oh, me Pacho think I will be and Kao Ben and
Aren't you closer to her?
My sister.
Oh,
me no, but I think I will bat to a barn on Kaubiti. Me Pacho.
I can't talk to your sister, but I can try talking to Aroma for you.
Pacho, any
But I think it's your sister. She's the one who is trying to force herself on Aroma. So I think I would have to talk to Aroma to try his possible best and then stay away from your sister.
Pacho, the real be seeing Nibia, a bema girl on a free boy in a Honameka. Pacho.
I've heard you.
Cameron, please.
Canon.
Cameron.
Oh, I'll see you later.
Cameron, please. Cameron. Cameron. Please help me, Yati.
Oh yeah. Me am embroso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
I don't even know what to say.
You want to know what to say? How would you get something to say?
Hey, you know what? I'm sorry.
How are you sorry? Upon the embarrassment the girl gave me, you are here to apologize.
Irene, what else can I do?
What else can you do, as in how?
I don't have anything to do than to apologize to you. I am sorry for what happened.
But why did she behave like that?
It's complicated. You won't understand.
How is it complicated? Make me understand.
Well, I don't know if you want to hear this, but she's my, should I even say ex? But the thing is, she's not my girlfriend, Irene.
She's not your girlfriend.
She is not.
Are you for real?
I'm sorry, Irene. I am very, very sorry. Yeah, I will take responsibilities for whatever thing that happened the last time.
But why would she treat me like that? What did I do to her?
That's what that's how she is.
But how can you tell me she's your ex? Why would your ex behave like that if you have nothing to do with her?
Listen, Irene, the thing is, I don't even see her as my ex. I don't have anything to do with her. She was my girlfriend, and for some reasons we are no more together. And I have tried to explain to her.
Why are you lying?
I am not lying, Irene.
She's your girlfriend.
Really?
From the way she confronted me, it shows everything.
You said she is my girlfriend.
Yes,
and I am here
is.
telling you that she is not my girlfriend. Irene.
Anyways, it's past. And then I don't want to have anything to do with you. I don't know what she will do next. So it's better we just part ways or something.
Listen, Irene, you are right. You are right. Your safety should also be your concern. But the thing is, I can assure you that nothing like that will happen again. I just don't want you to have any problem with me.
And I don't want the girl to do worse.
I will handle that, trust me. I will handle it.
If you say so, well. I have nothing to say.
Really?
Yeah.
But I hope you don't have any problem.
I don't have any problem with you, but I'm not sure I can be that close to you again.
Listen, I don't even expect you to be doing that right now because I know there is tension and you need some time to think about this. But the thing is, I just want to assure you that nothing like that will happen again. You understand?
If you say so.
Really?
Yeah.
Someone is trying to scam you, the scammer. Anyway, from Fula, you are a son. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen Asantua?
Sir, to be honest, I haven't yet gone to. I went for a quick checkup, but for a true visit.
No. So does that mean you did not sit to discuss issues with her? Right from, that incident?
Sir, please, which is it about her child?
Yeah, you know about it, isn't it?
Sir, I know about it, but sir, to be honest, I don't really care, sir, because sir, I've been telling, sir, she rushes too much, and then she has going to get all these problems for herself.
Do you notice you are becoming irresponsible? At this age, if you are behaving like this, in future, would you care for your wife and children?
So of course, I'll care for my wife and children.
Then start from now. Start from now. So if you go through all those things and you stand here to tell me you don't really care, so does that mean you were fanfooling her?
Sir, it's one thing that was fanfooling, but to be honest, I don't even support her in what she does. Because sir, I even heard that when she went to give birth, the child was black. So they said that he was even having a bald spot, a newborn baby. Sir, he was black, nothing like me or Asantua.
So what are you insinuating?
Sir, to be honest, I'm not really insinuating anything, but
if you're not insinuating, then why are you citing it as an example?
So you know what they say? They say if the shoe fits, wear it. So we say for her, maybe there may be something.
Maybe, which means you are not sure of what you are telling me. Over here, do you believe genetics work? Probably you are having, some genes in you, or Santua is having a genes that will be a dominant gene for the kid to be dark. So that doesn't mean.
I don't suppose so.
What I want to tell you here is try talk to her like human being. You're a human being. If nothing at all, she conceived and she lost the child. 9 months and she lost the child. If even you are not the one responsible, understand she's your mate. You have to be there for her, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So try to put, human face in it. But I'm not telling you go talk to her, trying to console her and bring another belly.
Oh, sir, I've learnt my lesson, sir.
Good. It's good you've learnt your lessons. And try to abandon this so-called relationship and other stuff, because you know what we've been through. Though I'm not responsible, but the finances came from me.
Yes, sir.
Do you know that?
Yes.
Do you know how it feels to pay for bills that you aren't supposed to pay, ideally? Do you know how it feels?
Yes, I understand you, sir.
Good. So, concentrate on your books. Try to get whatever you have to do right. And then maybe write your exams and continue with your education.
It's alright, please.
But all the same, try to see her, talk to her, at least show some care. That's where it begins from.
Okay, sir.
And stop from fooling people.
Oh, sir, I'm turning over a new leaf, but say you know that some old habits cannot change, sir. It's me. That's me, sir. It's my life.
So from fooling is part of your life?
Yes, it is a way of living,
Way of you living or way of living?
As a young man growing,
don't generalize
it. Is good to find food to a certain level.
Then you can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool other people all the time.
But you can find food for the found food to find food itself.
Be rhyming. It's ahead of you, foolish boy.
Aroma, my dear has asked me to talk to you about something really important. And I wish you would listen to me. Scanty and Amabrita, they have a child, right? We all know that. And you and Amabrita are also dating. You were dating before you found out that Scanty was your brother. But now we know that it's not right for you to date your brother's ex. It's not like just a normal ex like I am. They have a child. It wouldn't make sense. And I know you guys are still together. I don't even know why you guys are still together. But I would wish that you would break up with her. It's really worrying my day and myself. I've realized that it doesn't make sense.
Canon, know me. Yes. You know me when it comes to relationships. Canon, you know how I am and you know me. I don't like Britta again. In fact, I don't have any feeling for her. I don't love her. She's the one following me. I told her that I don't want to be with her again. Because Adams is my brother and she doesn't want to understand.
So you guys are not dating?
We are not. I don't love her. The thing is, I don't have.
But have you made her understood it?
Listen, I called and talked. You see, the last time I spoke to you, and you said I should find a way to, always speak to her. You understand? You said she's lonely and I should go to her and talk to her politely. So I went to her and talked to her. I made her understand that though I can be there for her, but I don't think we can continue this. You understand? We can't date. And trust me, she said she won't agree. Britta said she's not going to let me go. So as we speak now, Britta, I don't have anything for Britta. So if my day have somebody or want somebody to talk to, then I think she should talk to Britta instead, not me.
Because my day is not aware. Then you have to talk to him if only you can.
My J, no, I don't think I can talk to him.
If only you can, please. Just meet him. Let him know that you don't like Britta again and she's the one forcing herself on you.
Canon, I don't want to speak to my J. In fact, I don't want to go near my J again. Yes, I am minding my business. So please, he asked you to talk to me, right? So I am asking you to also talk to him. So tell him that I have nothing to do with Britta. In fact, I can't even date her. You know, Adams is my brother. So tell him that Britta is nothing to me.
Yeah, I'll try.
Oh yeah, with me, yeah. Me person me come any months with your me, yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, I pray that today you go be my.
Hey, Asantua. Now what to say? Is it the see the man to say you are getting better. Headmasters make sure say you sit here. She knew no one for pound room dear. So it's where did he come out?
I know.
Also, we are no near man, say be your inside.
I do.
Nade, I say be hawana.
Schoolness, me to same in fact, me ninja ho kra.
Ade, I'm off with you at them.
I'm off with the matter crank and with the same family.
Now they awesome.
Me to say so okay, I won't na catch a man for say. Me bana me won no ye tun be na ne tiri wapa. And schoolness, me ninja the oil.
No, don't already free betom.
Na the schoolness one or I can't or Martin or have my money. Baby Sam say I'm pa.
And now could you walk na buy us in work or tun to bro come and say ya.
Schoolness me ban on ye tun.
Hey,
ye tun more for.
Nyame ji wo mi so ban wo tun kama. Onye on dey. Say PS on pisa man fu so wo yi. O so bo mo say o mbese kanu no. O me kan basa na Asantua e no ba no wo so ko. Oh, me ji wo bi bu say sem chiri Asantua ba na kama kra to brum kama say tun na.
Sa tuntum na me pese metim. Yes. O de be echa so.
Ada mabuso for mu chi tuntum for.
E be echa so because me pese asa meti bia na e hye me ya o me pese.
Ah, okay, ne ma ne ye o ya. Oh, kafra. Why? Any day kafra na nyesa ade ase ne nka akwade wu ne tuntum kama ase nkenye hwe. On, kenye nkenye bibia. Nenso se e ka wo ya o dia fache wate. Ene ni kwase ka ho asebe. Ma wuro mfi. Wate. Na wuro mfi. Yesire nyame so mo wuro mfi. Wate. Na wuro mfi. Oh. We de kafra wate Asantua. Obi busa mi nchirim bim. Why? Nte ni kwase mi chirim bim kwa. Basa o school for so me akonkonsa fu no we say na ti wan be ka san sam ni kire o
as school nurse wa na de coin no musu de aba so wan kan ncho man ko muso mo meka
kire wan meka ncho obi a
o mo a bo mama na enyi no mu nyina aba be bisa am
ana ko mo expect o be wo dey
as school nurse so o mo na o mo mbisa wo mpo na wa start so wo ka
Asanto de odi ko dia so ya se me konkonsa ni bi se panyi party se me
na se school nurse ade ne se de yakon ne sa na ti e ba che so wi konkonsa
Asanto se wo nya me kaseti o
me nya o kaseti a aso de o yen meni nje ho already ya wo me mu dada o yesa na se ya o no di bi ka ho
ebi na Asanto we dia se wo expect se nka ba wo Prince Charles bi o so ba wo Bandam Kokobi so yete bibiri mami de so wo tun
oye Majid
ye Asantua so ba na wan
oye Majid
obawe akwa tun na pambam na pa we
me so onye tuntum
na kwa we de se papa kwa wonu no
school na super so nya me kaseti ana sese me se de meti wa me ho fefefe me ba dru papa school na sade
boy